Hey guys, in today's video I wanted to show you how you can use your Android smartphone as a replacement TV remote for your Samsung Smart TV. So not too long ago I started having issues with my Samsung TV remote. This is the one that came with my TV. You can see down here it's got the Samsung logo. Certain buttons stopped working, like the directional buttons and the source button up the top. So I ordered a new one on Amazon, but it was going to take a couple of days to get here. I still wanted to be able to use my TV, so I jumped onto my phone and went to the Google Play Store and I searched for Samsung TV remote control, and there's heaps of different options that you can use. So the one I installed was this one here, TV Samsung remote control. So yeah, you just want to find the app, select it and install it. So I've already got it installed. So I think they've updated the icon, that's why it looks different here. But this is the same app, I double checked that. So yeah, once you have installed the app, you want to open it up and it looks just like a Samsung remote, a little bit different to my remote. My remote has this button here as the home button, and this one has a Smart Hub button, but it's exactly the same as this home button here. So yeah, once you have installed the app, you will need to pair this remote with your TV. So if you've lost your remote or your remote isn't working, you will first need to turn the TV on. So to turn your TV on without a remote, you need to go to the back of the TV and there'll be a button back there. It might look a little bit different to my button depending on the model of your TV, but there should be an on-off button on the back of your TV. So just press that and turn your TV on. Okay, so then once your TV's on, my remote's already been paired, but what you need to do is come down to the settings cog, search pair a TV, so click on that. And then it's going to search for your TV. So it might take a second if you've just turned your TV on. Okay, so we can see here it's found my TV. And then we want to click on that and then your remote will be paired. And so once it's paired, all the buttons will work. You can navigate through all the menus and the off-on button will work. So yeah, you have a complete replacement remote right there. So if you do want to order a replacement remote, this is the one I've got. It looks exactly the same as my old remote. So you can see here, this is the original Samsung remote and this one is the new one. So I just looked down the bottom of my original remote to find out the model, and then I searched on Amazon Samsung remote and then the model name. And then I came across this one, which was really cheap. And this is also an infrared remote. I think you can also get Bluetooth remotes, but this one is an infrared. And yeah, I liked it because it was exactly the same as my old remote. So when you get the new remote, all you have to do is put the batteries in and then it literally works straight away. So that was super easy. That's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.